Hey everybody, welcome back to Mrs. RATTLECAN'S house. I am James, and this is the week in review number 22. Crazy week. Coming to the end of marching band season, football season, all kinds of seasons. Trying real hard not to get sucked into any other seasons, although Christmas is coming up and we do have a stage reset going on. Anyways, I started sanding and mudding the cabinet soffit and the end of the cabinet in the kitchen, because we have to fill that in so we can make that nice and smooth to install our 2 pendant lights and paint the end of the cabinet. I assembled the 4 attic panels and have them up in the attic. Mrs. RATTLECAN has finished derusting and sanding the baseboard back walls, and then she has covered them in tin foil for work at a later date. Sprinkler guys came over and they blew all of the air out of our sprinkler system, getting ready for the winter. I talked to them a little bit about a particular area of our house, and I think we've changed the location of our raised beds. I think we're going to move it to the south side of the workshop, and it doesn't look like the sprinklers are going to be a problem with that, so we'll probably go ahead with that in the spring. Continued working on the cabinet and soffit, continued troubleshooting the Asian room power. It's just weirdness. I'm now at the moment, I think there is a relay that is no worky, and that's throwing a wrench in the works. I built a platform for the HVAC unit that's going to go in, which was somewhat problematic because there's a double joist in the area that we need to work in that's taller than everything else. I just don't get it. So anyways, I had to shore that up and then put my 2x4s across there. And so the 2x4s are set, but the actual platform itself is not. When we determine where things are going to go, then we'll screw that down. Then Mrs. RATTLECAN primed some areas on the baseboards, and believe it or not, that was it. We were going to march tonight, but well, as you can see, was not really marching weather, and that's just fine. Centerville Invitational is tomorrow. We're bringing, 28 or 29 bands through to compete. That'll be a great heap of fun. And that's all we got. Be sure to click like on this video. Be sure, if you've got ideas and suggestions for us, be sure to put those in the sermon notes down below. Put them in the comments, because we love to hear from you guys. And be sure to subscribe. And you guys have a great weekend, all right? Cheers.
Hey, if you like this episode of RATTLECAN Guitar Restorations, you might want to check this video out as well. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube, and if you'd like to help the channel grow, consider stepping over to our Patreon page and giving that a look. Y'all have a good weekend. Cheers.